It's all nice. I'm working on a 1998 Porsche Boxster motor. Check this out. The customer stripped out 1, 2, 3 bolts on this thing. So I'm gonna drill these things out. So stay tuned. I'm doing this thing by hand. I'm gonna use my Sioux drill and some snap-on drill bits. I used a small drill bit, now I'm using a little bit bigger one. Let me sharpen it. All right, it's nice and sharp. Get this thing drilled out flush with the cylinder head. I'm gonna pound an Allen in here and twist it, and I think the head of that will break off. Oh, even better, dang. Got that dang head bolt out. Look at the size of that thing. Pretty good. I didn't think that thing was gonna come out. I mainly did that to drill the head of the bolt out of this thing on both those bolts and then pull the cylinder head off and just have a stud and maybe get it off with some vice grips, but that worked even better. 1 down, 2 to go. This is the next one. All right, let's try this bottom one now. I don't think it's gonna go. Nope. Damn it. Check that out. Busted the head clean off. Now that that head bolt's busted out, I have to take this little guide off here, because if you look on the outside, there's definitely another bolt right here the customer didn't take out. So I'm gonna pop this bolt out, and then there's gonna be a bolt behind here somewhere. That little guy was under the plate, so let's get that off too. Herman over there is gonna hold the block while I pull on it. Oh yeah. Hold that in a bag of chips. And it looks like these cylinders are aluminum, it looks like from here. Just got this thing out. I've taken a bunch of head bolts out this way, and watch this. It comes out by hand. It's just mind-boggling. I've done this on Trailblazers and 3.6 Chevrolets. You get the freaking head off, and it just comes out by hand. What the heck? That dang bolt out. I don't know if you guys noticed, but these cylinders are straight up aluminum. It's kind of crazy. There's no crosshatch, so I don't even see how this thing makes compression. The research I've done on other engines is they use a high silicon-based aluminum for this setup to kind of work. That cylinder head off. Now there's just 1 bolt to go. I'm not gonna film this. I'll film when I'm actually taking the bolt out, but I'm gonna be drilling on this thing off camera. I'll be right back. I got this one drilled out, so let's beat an Allen in there and see if we can twist that bitch out. Damn. I thought that was my wrist for a minute. Let's get her off here. one for you trolls out there. I haven't stopped the video yet. Look at this bolt by hand. I'm telling you guys, it's crazy. Bolt won't come out. You pull the cylinder head off, releases all a little bit of load on it, and just comes out by hand. Got both cylinder heads off. This one cylinder head has 5 broken exhaust bolts. I'm gonna call my customer, see what he wants to do, because I'm not gonna resurface this and then have him work on those bolts. So I'll be back shortly. So I pulled the gaskets off. Look how short this water jacket is. It barely has any volume as far as water. It stops right at the top of that cylinder. I wish Porsche would have made that a little bit deeper. It probably would have cooled a lot better. And then look at all this buildup. It's all nice and chunky. So I just got off the phone with my customer. He's gonna try to get those bolts out himself. I told him maybe try to weld a nut on there with some PB Blaster. I told him if he doesn't feel comfortable, he can bring them back and I can definitely get them out for him. So you guys are gonna have to come back and see what happens with this Porsche job. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.